change in attitude and old habits. When you purchase a product, say you purchase television, purchase fridge, a person will come and say, here is the TV you have asked. Then what do? We open the box and check remote, channel, tuning, is okay? Yes, it is okay. Sir, you find the TV okay? Sign the delivery challan. Once the delivery challan is signed, what does it imply? What does it mean? It means I have received the goods in good and working condition. Next, what that person will do? Here is the bill. Give me money. Isn't it? How do you sign delivery challan in ERP? What the supplier has given you? CD. Give me this delivery challan, sign, I have received. How do you do that? You will say, let me see whether your ERP is working or not. So CRP run is all about signing delivery challan. That means you have to approve, accept and confirm that the ERP which is delivered to you is in good and working condition. So how do we do this exercise of CRP run? The first and foremost is we'll have to change. Old habits, old way of working, what is termed as the legacy way of working, traditional way of buying, selling, inventory management, accounts, we'll have to change. It was fine when it is a small company, one accountant, one computer, I am entering my data, I am responsible. So in the new system it is multi-user. So we will have to understand all this. That is why we need CRP run. As it builds a good foundation for information flow in your organization, the importance of ERP has to be understood at all levels. On day one, we would request the director to call a meeting. We call it kick-off meeting. Kick-off meeting means we are telling everybody in the organization, hey, we are starting ERP. So now everybody knows we are starting ERP. Jokingly we say call the watchman also. The security guard at the gate, involve him also in ERP. Why? Because we want to capture the truck number on the invoice. In India, we have a rule. In excise rule, you need to write the truck number on the invoice. So what we mean here is involve all the users, all the department heads. And when it comes from the chairman or the CEO, the kick-off meeting is attended by everybody, due importance is given, and everybody will be asked to cooperate. Sounds very simple? Do you think it's logical for the managing director to inform people? Yes or no?
Yes.
Logical, isn't it? But many times it is not done. Many times we find that people are not attending the kick-off meeting. Many times we find people say yes in the kick-off meeting and no in CRP run. Why is this happening? Let us go to the root cause, root problem. Let us try to analyze why 75% of the companies all over the world have failed to implement ERP or underutilized. I won't say total failure. After taking 20 modules, they will use 4 or 5 modules. We have not taken ERP for that. We were happy with the accounting package. So let us go to the root cause of all this. Where the mistakes are made. The first tip I want to give is formally appoint an ERP coordinator. One person who is saying, I am ERP coordinator in this organization. Come on, ask me, what do you want? Preferably one more person, backup. Let us have two people, team as an ERP coordinator in the organization. If we don't have such a person, ERP is likely to fail. Because every department will look at his or her function, whereas ERP is integrating all the functions. So we need to give importance to ERP coordinator. It's a full-time assignment. What do you mean by full-time assignment? That means you have to give the highest priority. The person who is ERP coordinator cannot say, I don't have time for ERP. In one organization, small company, about 50 crore turnover, and ERP coordinator was appointed. Fortunately, unfortunately, he was the computer programmer earlier. And he became ERP coordinator. Every now and then, somebody will call, my printer cartridge is down, please come and replace. If that fellow will go and replace printer cartridge. My computer is not booting, that fellow will go and load or remove virus. What is this? He has to go and load operating system. When will he do ERP implementation? That is why we say